Okay, today we are going to discuss the similar content pro for the improvement of the relevance scores, keyword coverage, percentage. Okay, I highly recommend that you use the Grammarly extension for the content that you can know where to fix the spelling errors. All right. So usually I just add these unused words first. Okay, unused words. Then you can see here will increase the coverage percentage. So there's the things intentional life. So I think questions or material passionately. And sometimes we have to just simply put these words into somewhere naturally. Then we can have this score fair share. Today goes suppose. What is our space and culture? You don't need it. You don't need it all for intentional life. Intentional life. Okay, save time and money by downsizing your home and letting your more personal items to get items go. Okay. Cleaning and organizing, and this part will be somewhere decorating on the basis of cleaning and organizing, and yeah, they will be perfect. Stay in track. Stay in track. Unnecessary places I need to dump and then focus on something you don't what you need. Focus on something you don't decorating the basis cleaning and comes to learn. In fact, we have something basic tips for you. First things first. Strict store sorting for each item will help you to determine which one you start to keep. Some way to don't get discouraged by early on though. Here we can find out unnecessary phrases. First, okay, and we put it there. Time with the family, more time with the family. So I might have the because it's long time, so I will use the Control plus F to find out where I might be talk about family. Okay, nowhere have been mentioned. I will add it on somewhere. What do you want? What do you need? Simple answer, you don't. Purple, what things are valuable, key worth keeping? Conclusions. And maybe case study. What minimalism is. So I want to living with the less, simplify things a bit. More times with families. Okay, here we go. We got it settled. Change your life. These are somewhere I think I would be put in the first part of the article or maybe the end of the article. Change your life. Include about owning things. You don't have it. Start changing. Start to change your life with just one area of your home and walk through your house in section. Okay. Stay on track. You might use very often keep it, otherwise stay everything on track. Now we can see that this just simplifying the same meaning. Okay, everything important, potent. Sorry, important on track. Then we are going to have a 50.21. Yeah, quite nice, quite nice. So we are free time. Okay, we want to sometimes you can use mostly I would use the full what is it full keywords here instead of only keywords here because I think this one will be much more meaningful and much easier to filling in fill into the sentence. Okay, free time I think is helpful in finding to get more free time. Yes, actually we don't need to do that. Just do it like this and done. Okay, let's get rid of this. Yeah, it's turning the it's changed, so it's already used. Minimum mindset, growth mindset. Remember comes with the learning. You have basis for you. Minimum with it's with and growth mindset. Learning the growth mindset. So when we go like pair of shoes, pairs of pants, and introduction, minimize space, or cut back. Pair of shoes, I think this can be replaced. Okay, coffee table. Coffee table. How do I handle the coffee table? Okay, let's do table. Where are you? Only one place. Okay, coffee. Okay, I'll follow all of it here. So it is only something like listing something out, where maybe a chair, still some chair, none. So I think because it's a long time, so I don't clearly remember how to add the bezel, the storage. You can consider. I think and some you have to have something like internal link out backlink, something you need to consider something outer link, something like that. And so where do I put this? Okay, I will handle that later. Positive thinking. Positive thinking. They are always still with determining the attitude should be like getting started, what to caliber introduction, live the lifestyle while most people. Away is simply means deciding when something should be kept and something. You have to cut it off from our minds. Then we will and thus to keep positive thinking. Because you have too much burden in our life, so we will not be able to think very positive. I think in this way because when you have many things to in this long and like me, today I can really find some teas I want to drink because there are too much things in my room. So I was wasn't not happy because this is happening. I think this is also article is helping myself. Maybe in someone it will help other people like me. So it's not about like you want to have something rank higher in Google, you have benefit or something like that. If firstly you will be able to learn from this, then you got the uh, possible ways that you are able helping people. This will be very important because you don't know whether it can rank or something, but if it's initially it's helping you, then it definitely it can help other people in the world. So don't write for ranking, write for true value, write for what's really important to help others, to guide others, or to make the world better. It should be like this, I think. Expired. Okay, expired items, we need to get rid of expired items. Okay, get rid of. It was there. If in particular you keep it just because it was there. Consider as expired items. Habits. Shopping habits. Getting start, who to carry, where to store it. Think stop doing things you don't like just because you have, or I think that's no, this is not good. I think I should be put it here. Trying to get out regular hours every day. Tell me how to minimize the activity you urge to do, and not do it at all. Then you will have more time with the family. Okay. With your family. Sleep shirts. Where is shirts? No shirts. Like shoes. Where was the shoes? This is like just an example. So I would probably going to put it there. Storage container. Storage. Where I going to do the storage container. Getting rid of all mattresses from storage container. Okay. Continuous process. And do more continuous process. Continuous. I think there containers and container, a storage container or storage containers, they will be how to say, they will be different. a single or multiple things. Here, the words, they are considered different. So you might be use the words twice, or maybe you use the similar words instead. Okay. Here I want to use this and many more continuous because I only take some examples. So this continuous process um, to make your life simple. Okay, yeah, like this. Uh, next, into next continuous to I think this can be both. Okay, both use of your minimalist journey. Okay, that would be perfect. Right. Okay. When we learn something, then we simplify it. You know, you don't need to pay much more extra attention to others. Okay. Containers. No. I think I was wrong. Okay. Sorry, containers. Yeah. So this is done. Go for energy. Focus on your energy. You need sponsors living in there when you don't have to be older. Just one area of your home one time and walk through your hours for session. Determine your priority, focus on your needs, and manage your time and energy. Alright. Once you have figured out, yes, that will be perfect. Shopping habit, knick-knack. What is knick-knack? I don't know. Okay, we are getting 65.63. Now we are going to have like 67, 68 maybe. Care plan. Care plan benefits of minimalism. Okay, we didn't mention benefits. What will be the benefits? Think. You should choose with us too. Um, benefits of minimalism. I think I have to mention about this. Maybe I didn't list it on the article. That might be. I think it might be after publish. I might have to, to learn some words. I might have to add these benefits of minimalism as H2, maybe something like this. But now I have to fill in somewhere. benefit. Okay, benefit. There's only two, nowhere. Okay, then we are minimalism. Minimalism. It's too much, I think. 21. This definitely need to change. This one, you know. Too much of it. Too much. Um, think definition and benefits. Sorry, pardon my English. Definition and benefits. Of minimalism. Okay, shopping habits. Where I am going to maybe shop. Shopping habits. Okay, we just you maybe I think sometimes we the AI will I know the AI will use many of these words sometimes for some topics. Okay, you will use it already. You just need to I think you just need to find out with the Control F. You need to find out somewhere it's going to uh, you know getting it together. Okay, some plan like this. Uh-huh. A required care plan. Care plan. I think it's just only free. Diet plan. Starting any diet plan or care plan. Yeah, that will be okay, you know. And this one used together, right? I think they are maybe they are the same. Diet plan, care plan. Um, no, no worry. Just use it. Now we're 68. As I already got it. Popular practice. So I search practice. I think only two now where maybe no practice two. All ideas may think manually to a simplified extent. Living with the less. Then the main aspects and popular practice of minimalism in three categories. Okay, I think this can be, can be fit. Only two now. We are leading. We are going to, we are going to 7. Okay. Oh, maybe. Accidentally, I will click, and it will go somewhere. Sometimes, you have to find out when it's going to make a serious problem. You don't know where you drop this word accidentally. Then it's hard to coffee. Knick-knack. What is a knick-knack? I'm sorry, I don't know these words. Translation. Shit. Knick-knack. I don't think this is a word I can use, baby. Now, learn to live. Have your course on what's the point of owning material possession? And do the next one to your journey. Learn to live. This might be good for the end of the topic or the beginning of the topic. Learn to live. Call yourself asking the learn. Getting rid of starch in beer for not minimum the main all. Making loans for less essential. Now, let's learn to live as a minimalist. Minimalist. I think I don't need to add this too. Maybe. No, let's don't use it. Let's use it. Let's don't use it. That's paradox. No. knick-knock, knick-knack, knick-knack. No, let's don't use it. Be a minimalism. Be a minimalism. I have to convince myself. Damn it. Okay. Let's talk about something like this. You know, we have a problem. Overused. Yeah. Now we are using HTML5, 95. This will be okay if you only the subtopics. Like this is subtopics, 10 of them talking about life. We might be able to use 7 times. 8 times is fine. Okay. Maybe you just maybe 2 times above the number. Like minimalist I can use for 12 would be top using 12 times for the minimalism in this article. Okay, but I don't. I might not use for 20 times. It will be very bad for me because Google will judge me like you are cheating, right? By filling the same keywords over and over again try to get the minimalism to get rank. Like you are too lazy, something like that. Okay, let's do the okay, here we go. For the filter topic, it will allow you to check what is going to be used for this keyword coverage. What keywords are going to be used, and then used. All right, what is already used? You will see, and unused. I usually doing unused all the time, and do few changes. I refresh unused, and to see less and less unused words, then make it into the article. And at the end of the you know when you check out everything, every word you mean to use already put it into the article, then you will be able to check out what is overused. So I think a perception, material perception, I think I is already used. I will use the tools like a similar related words. Yes, this will help you a lot. Relatedwords.org, O-R-G, you know, relatedwords.org. I think you can say. So let's minimalism. So what can be, you know, abstract description? Ah, minimalist. Oh no no no. Yeah. So we classism. We have this polymetism. I have to change somewhere. Minimalism. As if at first message of minimalist is just about, but in reality that's not what it means. We can use it here. The definition is simply yet complex. They think what it is, what they think it is. This lifestyle, something like this. To me, it seems to be 7 is right, I think. At least I need to reduce 3 of it. It is about, sorry, oh, no, I don't want to, uh, now it's only 12 divided by 6, 7 by 11 by 7. I think it can be accepted like this, I think. 5 per sections. These positions per sections. The AI is loading a lot of positions. We need to, you know, ownership, property, I think. Properties. ownership. Now we get 1, 2, 1, 2. Three. Material possessions. Fewer. Fewer. Owing. Certain. Comorbidis. Now we are getting only 2 of it. Material possessions, owing material possessions, fewer material possessions. I think this can be okay. Yes. And they are subtopics. The ranking like this, like this. But we have to check like this in these numbers. Close clustering. This one will be okay. 4 divided by 2. I think items. Items. I need to items. Too many items. I want to replace this component pieces. Right. Items. What pieces? What components? Components. Get rid of pieces. Objects. Right. All item, all pieces. Larger item, essential, expire, unnecessary, personal, package. Expire, product. Track. No trading. Sometimes you will be able to trade something like accidentally. You have to yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 3 now. Yeah, that will be perfect. Only 3.3. Simple lifestyle. Boy 1. Overused words. I think if in the future we are making some change, we might have to reduce this. But for now, I would keep it because from previous work, I didn't got any trouble for this yet. Minimum list definition. This is not good because the relevance is not higher than 80, even 90, something like that. I have to improve something like this. Like I want to um, focus on the getting started, minimum list, something like this. I need to rephrase the keywords, the sentence. I don't know, something like this. Like I want to add more some of these benefits of minimum list. I will have to, you know, I will have to make an H2 of this benefits of minimalist, and to get the minimum list higher, something like this. Definition now is getting this is a 60. So if I want to improve benefits of minimum list benefits higher, may have to use other H2 and make this more worse for this. Okay, this is not good. But for this, let's check. So I got rating for A, readability. So my article was considered very readable for the people, and they are easily read my articles. Because if you got a C or even badly a D, the people will find it is difficult to read. They might jump. They might get rid of reading because they are feeling difficult for reading your article. They will read somewhere in the middle, maybe in the first part. They will just move to other article. Then your ranking is not staying on the first place and the higher rank position. So you have to mind this. This is A. So the flash reading is, I think, usually they are requiring we are over 60. Like if you are a high school student over 60, we are able to introduce our article to junior high school reader for understanding our article. This is important. And getting Fox score is better below 12. Now I am 9.8. So it's okay for this thing. And the reading time is less than 10 hours. maybe, you know, like you have 1500, you probably will take time for 5 to 7 minutes reading, something like this. And my suggestion is, if to keep your A, to keep your 60s, to keep it under 12, you will use the keywords simple simple words, and shorter sentence. You have to cut the sentence like 6 or 8 for the you know for the column, or any other things like this length. 6 or 7, one sentence. It's better to keep in this form, like you use a lot keywords, a lot of sentences like this, short and easy to read, and break in a very few words in a sentence. Then it's easy to read, then you get higher of this. And of course, readers would love to read your articles, and when they spend more time in your articles, then your articles are going to rank higher and stay the higher rank longer, right? That's the point. And maybe this word, I think this article is getting 70, but I am not sure whether I get many rank of the, you know this keywords is not exactly what I want to rank. I want to rank how to minimum list, right? In this way. So you know it's about how to minimum list, like how minimum list or minimalism, something like this. Um, Going to rank, but why not give it a try? I just want to publish it and make it rank now, step by step. First of all, I already got this higher keyword coverage, right? And for this, we are able to use it in a reasonable way. So I didn't copy too much overuse overuse keywords, except this one, and this one is less than double of the suggested quantity. Suggested quantity of a minimalist is 7. Double 7 is 14. Now it's less than 14. Okay. The minimalism is 6. Shit. Whether no, I didn't add anymore. Anything. Okay. I didn't add anything. So this way, I think 6 double is 12, and less than 12 is fine. Okay. Lifestyle, I think this one one time I used 3 times. I think this isn't hurting anything. So these are already changed, but it didn't refresh. I think I only used 3 times. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yes, it's 4 times. Okay, no problems. So this is okay. If you want to ask me what is going to add, I would probably say that I would add a picture of this, and some links to other article in a higher rank or something, this kind of things. Some like this. I will share the rank of wiki definition of this, like unnecessary items. I will do a list of this, types of minimalist. I will also maybe do some improvement of these things. Okay, simpler life like this. This one will make a great difference from this. I think the article should be how to be a minimalist, tips and tricks, something like this. Update. And the Google keyword would take this, when they search something like this, and they will show the since their algorithm change, if you search somewhere of the topic, it will show you in here. Your keywords will show here. In fact, they are in the middle of the article, so they will share the related things. If I know some people might not, maybe like me, just learn the SEO in a short time. If they are going to search this kind of words, so your search result will show here, even though your content is here, they will show in this spot. Okay, it will show automatically showing this related words. So, and then they will leave you to decide whether you watch the article or not, something like this. And let's learn a lot, a simple thing like this. They will, videos, links and internal links or external links, something like this. And the listing or something like this. And what's next? Something like this. Okay. So we are getting a simple guidance about how to improve AI written content from Hello World AI. Then we use similar content pro to improve. I was 55. I was only like a 48. Then add some keywords here. Then it's going to be 55. And then I just add more words and will become 70.83. Then I use the unused word to get this number, but it's not finished, so I will use this overused keywords to check whether I need to replace it. But how are we going to use this similar content to a new project? I will introduce you later. Today I will going to show you a free videos the day in the first day. So you're going to have the chance to see how I am going to use these tools. Thank you.